Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video guys. After yesterday's episode of Uthando Nesthembu aired, Umusa decided to post this picture on his Instagram feed and he captioned it counts how we treat a sick man. Now I think this is just his caption is continuing from something that he said when the episode aired that I just felt like, Musa, was that really necessary for you to say? He said ukuthi njengoba egula yena and then people are not taking care. I'm paraphrasing you guys. Njengoba egula yena and people are not taking care of him. People not taking care of him is people saying, it's as if they're saying he must die because he made bad decisions. I'm just like, what are you trying to say? Shilana. There are people who are here for you. And then you come and say a statement like, when people don't take care of you, it's like they're indirectly saying, which you must die for your bad decisions. I'm just like, what are you trying to say? Are you trying to communicate a message to the rest of the other people, which your wives are not taking care of you, and because they are not taking care of you, this is what they want. They want which you wena ungapili or something like that. I just kind of felt like, guys, that statement he said was kind of manipulative in a sense. And then to show Uguti like he really meant what he said, he goes and posts this picture and says Uguti, it matters Uguti how you treat a sick man. I'm just like, at this point, Musa, if you really wanna out people, by keep it and then be specific with umayeni is not treating a sick man well. Umangwabe is not treating a sick man well. Then using a blanket approach and making all the wives seem as if they're not treating you well. The sad part is that on that comment section, other people were like, how did you treat Umakumalo Benomangwabe when they lost their kids or they had the miscarriages? Other people like, how did you treat Umayeni when Umayeni just came out of the operation? Was it not Umusapazi saying ukuthi the operation it has made Umayeni utabe overly sensitive? Manje, he's the one who's overly sensitive. Oshuwuti, guys, sometimes even if you are not in someone's shoes, you must learn to sympathize with people because now it's seeming like Umusa, his wives have went through very tragic events in their lives and he did not sympathize with them. He did not treat them or supposedly did not treat them well. And now when he's in a position where he's not well, he's expecting a treatment that he did not give out. And probably he did not give out that treatment because he did not know what it's like to be sick or to be going through a situation and needing someone else's support. So all I'm going to say with izinto esizenzayo singakhohlwa ukuthi ngakusasa, even if you don't understand, that could be you. That could be you, and you'll be needing people's support, and you're going to turn around and say people are not supporting you or not kanti when they were in need of the support, you were not there. But anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.